Yes, absolutely. That's one of the benefits of live blood analysis, is that it allows us to visually monitor what's going on with the client's state of health. So we're able to see what's actually going on in the system by first scanning through the sample, and since it is a visual type of analysis, we're basically looking for anything that shows up during the test. As opposed to a conventional test where things have to be ticked off on the form for the lab to actually perform those tests. And again, in those cases, if the practitioner didn't think of testing for something specific, there's a chance that something would be missed there. With live blood analysis is a visual type of test, so we look through the whole sample at what's showing up in the sample, and we're very easily able to identify what the main issues are that need to be worked with in a case.